How to master English tenses. Present simple.
Present simple tense. Let's use the verb run to help us understand subject-verb agreement. He runs. She runs. It runs.
They run. We run. You run.
Applying it to the first person plural. We run.
Second person is you. This can mean singular, like when you're talking to one person. Or it can mean plural, when you're addressing more than one. So in all cases of first person, whether it's I, or we, or second person, whether it's you singular, or you plural, the verb has nos at the end.
So let's talk about the third person singular. This is when we're referring to he, she, or it. He runs, she walks, or it flies. Notice how the verb changes by adding an S at the end.
This is a key rule in English grammar to ensure subject-verb agreement. Remember, it's he, she, or it, with a verb ending in S. The ending S is applied only in the case of third-person singular. In all other cases, the verb has no added S. Simple, right? Now let's move on to some examples to solidify this concept.
He runs. She runs. It runs. They run.
See the difference? Easy peasy. Only third person singular gets an S. In all other cases, do not add S at the end. It can't get any easier. It's all about the subject-verb agreement. Cheers.